Wala hayop.
Sudlas ang bata, pasudla. Ang bata naghulat man pod, pasudla daw.
Ah, wait lang po.
Ay, nana. Okay, start na.
Hello ko.
Hello. Hi.
Teacher.
Hello. How are you today?
I'm good.
You're good. What is your name?
Yay.
Your name. What is your name? Name. What?
Con nói dài đấy, con nói là
Oh, what a cute name. Are you Wow. Are you ready to learn, baby? Oh, very good. You're ready to learn. Can you do the thumbs up if you're ready to learn?
làm theo
Yes, very good. So now let's start
con
to
nó bật thích à?
learn. We have an egg here. Egg. We have an egg here. Egg. What is this, Jenny? What is this? This is egg. Very good. Egg. So now let's listen a short audio. Are you ready? Are you ready, Jenny? Very good. So let's hear this audio.
Con đừng tự nhiên con bật gì cả con.
We have the letter E here, Chuni. What is this letter? E. What is this? Very good. Letter E. Can you say E? E. Very good. E. This is the big E. Big.
This is big eye.
Very good. Big E, can you do this? Big E. Big E. Big E. Can you do this? Your hands. Can you show your hands here?
Okay.
Big E.
Đi kìa, làm theo cô.
Big E. Very good. Can you draw it in the air? Like this. One. One. Can you do this? One,
Làm
two, three, four. Very good. And we will know the little E. What is this, baby? This is little E. Can you do this? E. Can you share a smile? E. Can you do this, baby? E. What is this? What is very good? E. And this is the egg. Egg. What is this? This is the. What is this? What is this? I cannot hear you. What is this? Very good. Egg. So now let's continue to listen to the audio. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yay! Let's listen. Okay? Let's listen.
Look up there, I will.
No sound. Teacher, no sound.
There is
No.
I'll wait for a while.
No.
There
No
is no
sound.
sound on the book, ma'am.
Yeah, no sound.
No sound.
Sound? Why? Why is there's no sound?
Yeah.
Oh, wait for a while. We'll fix it if there is no sound. Why there's
Just
no
teacher boy
sound?
only.
Here,
Just
this,
teacher boy only. No sound.
ma'am. No sound on your computer, ma'am.
Yeah, no sound.
Yeah.
No
Only
sound.
teacher boy.
Oh, why no sound?
Yeah,
Wait
boy,
for a
teacher.
while. But can you hear me, ma'am?
Con có nghe cô được không?
But can you
Yes.
hear me, ma'am? Okay, I will just repeat it, ma'am, the sound and the word. Is it okay?
Yes, that come.
Yeah.
Okay. So the sound of letter E is eh, eh, eh. Can you do this? Eh, 3 times. Eh.
Eh.
One more time.
Eh.
Very good. Very good. That is
Nghe.
the 3 sound of eh. Very good. Now let's proceed to the listen and point and repeat. We have another set of words here. Can you see it? Can you see it? This?
Yes.
Very good. We have 4 words here. So, are you ready to learn these words? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Very good. If you're ready, just clap your hands 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands. 1. Very good. You're so fast. I like that. Okay, let's say the word. This is the, what is this? Can you remember it? This is the, what is this? This is the egg. What is this? Is this? This is the egg.
Did E.
Egg. What is this? This is the egg. Very good. This is the, next is, this is the elbow. What is this? Very good. Elbow. Where's your elbow? Where's your elbow? Can you show your elbow? Elbow.
Elbow. They're so able
Elbow.
to
Show your
teacher.
elbow to me. Very good. What is this? We call it. What is this?
Elbow.
Very good. Give yourself a 3 clap. 1, 2, 3.
Yes, okay.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2,
Very,
3.
very good. Now, let's know the next word. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Envelope.
Are you ready? You say yes. Are you ready? Very good. So now, let's proceed to the next word. This is an envelope. Envelope.
Con đừng có
Envelope.
en.
Envelope.
Envelope.
Để như đọc nhé.
Very,
Envelope.
Đâu?
very good. Can you say it
Envelope.
3 times? 3 times. 3 times. Envelope, envelope, envelope.
Envelope. Envelope.
Very good. Envelope. What is
Không,
this
không có
again?
bấm cái đó con. Để cho cô.
What is this again? This is the, what is this? What is this? Very good. Can you point your elbow? Can you point your elbow? Here.
Okay.
Elbow. Point your elbow. Point. What is this? What is it again? Very good. This. What is this again? This. Our first word. This is the. What is this? What is this? This is the egg. Very good. Do this, do this. Yay! Can you do this? Yay! So now let's learn the fourth word. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Fun.
Im đi nào, mẹ câu
Very
nói.
good. You're ready. So now let's learn the third word. This is the elephant.
Fun.
What is this? What is this? Elephant. Very good. The elephant is so big. So big. Can you do this? Can you do this? Can you do this? Big. Does the elephant big or small? Very good. Big.
Yeah.
The elephant is what? Big or small?
Big, big, big.
Big. Big. Very good. Can you do this? Big. Big. Very big. What is this name? What is this name? This.
Con đi.
The fourth word. This is very good. What is this?
Tức con.
What is this? Elephant. What is this?
Elephant.
Very good. And this? What is this? Our third word. What is this?
Cái này, bên này câu hỏi này.
What is this?
Column.
Very good. That's correct. Give your hands a 3 clap. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Elephant. Next, our second word. What is this? What is this?
Kìa.
Elbow.
Elbow. Wow. Can you point your elbow? Can you point your elbow? Elbow. Oh, next elbow. Next elbow. Next elbow.
Elbow khác.
Next elbow.
Next.
This is the right
elbow.
elbow. Right? Can you say right elbow?
Right elbow. Right elbow. Say right elbow.
Right elbow. Show your right elbow here. Show your right elbow. Very good. Next, our left elbow. Our left
Left
elbow.
Left elbow kìa.
Left elbow. Where? You show. Shake your left elbow. Shake your left elbow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Very good. Our
Wow,
wow, you're so good to count. Our first word is, what is our first word? This is the.
Thưa con.
What is this? What is this? This is the. Very good. This is the egg. Do you eat egg? Do you eat egg? Do you eat egg?
Ủa, nghe câu hỏi.
Yum. Do you eat egg? Yum. You like this? Yum. An egg is came from the. Where is egg came from? From the chicken. Chicken. Can you fly? Chicken. What is the chicken sound?
Chicken.
Sound is.
Sao đây gì?
What is the chicken sound?
Sao của
What is the chicken sound?
Chicken sao là gì?
Do you know?
Cục tác.
No,
Cục tác.
I don't know.
You don't know? The chicken sound is cock-a-doodle-doo. What is the sound? Very good. Oh, can you do the flopping of the chicken?
yeah,
Can you
yeah.
do it?
Nè.
Flap. Very good. So we are already done to our activity. Can you do that? 3 clap. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow, very good. You already know how to count 1 to 10. Baby, so now let's proceed to our next activity. Are you ready? Where are you? Where are you? I cannot see you. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, there you are. Oh, you're hiding. You're hiding. Where are you hiding? Oh, I cannot see you. I cannot see you. Oh, you're hiding. So now let's proceed to write it. Write it. Can you write it in the screen? Wow. Where are
Vậy mà
you? You're hiding again. Where are you?
nghiêm túc coi.
Where are
Không nghiêm
you? Oh, you're hiding. You're hiding. So now let's write the E sound. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ready?
túc.
Okay. Yes. That's the spirit.
Bấm nút con.
So let's write the E and trace it. And then say it. So, can you write the letter E in the screen? Follow me. Come here. Sit on the chair. Sit on the chair.
Cho
Sit,
nó trẻ không?
sit,
Cái đó là trẻ nhỉ?
sit on the chair. So, can you write the letter E on the screen? Can you follow Teacher Marge? Very good. So now let's write the first letter. Here.
Không làm được cô cái đó của
Can you
cô đó.
write this?
Dạ,
Can
viết,
you
viết,
write
viết,
on the
viết.
screen? Oh, you write on the air.
Con
Okay.
đừng làm mất mạnh đó.
Write on the air. So we have 4 lines. Can you do
Yeah.
this? Write in the air.
Viết đi con.
1, straight line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Can you write it on the screen? Wow. Can you write it, baby?
Viết con.
The letter E. Can you write this? Oh, okay. Can you show it to me? How can we write it? Big letter E. 1, 1, straight line. 1, 2.
Cô lên.
Oh, sit there. Sit. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Can you say E 3 times? E, E, E. E, very good. Now let's proceed to the small E. Small E. Can you do this? Small E. Small E. Oh, very good. So now let's write the small E. Let's,
Theo cô.
where
Con.
are you? Where are you? Where are you? I cannot see you. I cannot see you. So let's write the letter E. You start here to here. Like this. Can you do this? This, this, this. We have a semicircle. Oh, write in the paper. Can you show it to me? Can you show it? Can you show it? I cannot see. I cannot see. Can you show it to me?
Đâu sau cho teacher.
Can you show it? Very good. That's letter E. Small letter E. The big E. The big E. Can you write the big E? The big E? I want to see. Big E. Where? I cannot see it. Where is it? Oh, very good. That is a big E. Can you write big E 3 times? 3E. 3E, right? Big 3E.
Three big E. Rồi một từ nữa.
Write the big E.
Mình viết từ E.
I can see you.
Oh, you
Này.
can see me.
No.
Rồi giờ
Oh,
viết
you
nó.
know. Why? I want to see. Where is it? Where is it?
Viết đi con, viết rất là cẩn thận nè, viết cho nghiêm túc nè.
Where is it? The three E, the three big E, where is it? Very good. Can you say E, E, E?
E.
Very good. The small E. Can you write the small E also 3 times? Three
Small.
little E. Small E.
Để cho người lớn con.
Small E.
Where is it? Where is it? Wow, very good. That is very good. Can you say 3E? E, E, E. Very good. You already done our third activity. Can you give yourself a 3 clap? 3 clap. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Very good.
5, 6.
Very good. Can you do the last part? You say very good?
Kìa kìa kìa. Con cô, nghe cô.
Very good. 1, 2,
Very
3.
Very
Very
good.
good. Okay. Very good. Good job. Okay, good job. Now, let's proceed to... Okay. Hello there. So let's... Hello. So we have to write E here. There are so many eggs here. So we need to write E if the word start with letter E. If the word start not E, we use the X. Can you do this,
Kìa kìa kìa.
baby? Can you do this, the X?
Kìa kìa cô làm theo cô.
X?
X.
Very
Con đọc.
good. X, X, X. Can you do
Con
this?
đọc.
X, X, X.
X.
Oh, very good. X. We have the X here. So, let's start. We have the, what is the word here? I will tell the word. I will say the word. I will say the word.
No,
We,
no, no. Teacher, no sound.
no sound.
Yes. Teacher voice only.
Oh, wait.
Con không nghe thì con lại là no sound.
I will just, ma'am, I will just say the word, ma'am.
Nghe cô.
So she can know the word, ma'am. I will say the word. Is it okay, ma'am? I will say the word.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. The first word is duck. Duck. The first word is duck. Does the duck start with letter E? Not. Does the duck start with letter E? Duck. Duck.
Có phải đây là ý không? Câu hỏi.
Does the word,
Vậy thì con làm như thế này.
is it E? Not. Is it E? Is it the letter E? Yes or no? Yes or no? No. Very good. No. Can you do this? Can you do this?
Cô này.
Very good. No. So let's put here the X. Very good. Yay. So let's proceed to the next word. The second word, babe, the second word is elbow. Elbow. The second word is elbow. Oh, we're running out of time.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, we cannot finish our lesson for today. I'm so happy to see you. So, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you, Mom.
Thank you, teacher.
Mom. See you again. Bye-bye.
See you again.
See you. See you tomorrow. I hope so. Bye-bye.
See you after tomorrow.
Yes, see you.
Bye bye teacher này tự nhiên.
Bye-bye.
See you again.
Bye-bye, baby.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Thank you too.
Yes.
Thank you.